So let me show you the timer and stopwatch on the Casio LWS-2200H watch. So this actually has got incredibly good timer and stopwatch. So let's start with the timer, and we can cycle using this button basically. So we can cycle this timer, and so let's customize it. We can do it by this button. Press and hold it for like 3 seconds till it beeps and this first letter starts to like blink. So then we can change the like minutes here basically using this button, or this down here button is here as well. So also we can like hold this button here and will basically, as you see, run up to the time much faster. Then to go to the like minutes, we can again do the same thing here. So, and that's pretty much it. Let's see how much the maximum time is for the timer. Okay, so it's 60 minutes. Okay, so once you're basically done, we can click this button, and to start the timer we can click this button here. Okay, and the timer will start now. So let's see what the timer sounds like. Let's start it. Okay, and yep, it beeps basically. You can press any button to basically stop it, and it returns to the previous value for like the last timer we set it up. So it's very good, so you can reuse your old timers that you set up. So it's very fluid, and yeah, absolutely love the timer, and it's literally one of the best timers on the Casio watches. So let's check out that stopwatch. Okay, and then this has got extremely advanced stopwatch. I'm not even sure if I will be able to show you fully it. Okay, so let's start it. So we can start with this button. You can also press it to like pause it and resume it here. Okay, so very good. Then you can also record laps. So let's press it, and you see it even runs in the background. Okay, so it has basically recorded some laps here as well. So very cool. So you can also to reset it. So to basically to reset it, you have to stop it in this F mode, then press the reset button. Okay, then also we can see our stopwatch recordings. So again, navigate this button, and you can see your previous stopwatch recordings. You can navigate through them by pressing this button here basically. So I have like started. So you can, I think you can record like 200 laps on this, and at the bottom here you can even see that it records the date at which like this was recording done. So for example, this was yesterday, I was playing around this watch, so it stores that data and like some factory stuff. Anyway, yeah, so very useful actually, and this is first time actually seeing such an advanced stopwatch on Casio watches. Well, I haven't had that many Casio watches, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Especially I really like this timer here. So overall, very nice watch, and I can highly suggest it for the timer because it's excellent. Also, stopwatch is very good. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.